Have you ever wondered what are basic guidelines for email marketing? Do you often wonder why only email marketing for your business? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of all the reasons for using email marketing for your business? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about best practice guidelines for email marketing. Now let's get into it. Over 65% of marketers say that effective email marketing is core to their business. Billions of emails are sent every hour, so it's important to master the art of getting your email seen in a crowded inbox. Consistent and relevant communication is vital for effective email marketing. If you get someone to sign up to your list and you neglect them for too long, they'll forget who you are. The next time you email them, they'll also forget they gave you permission to email them. And they'll click the spam button. Too many of these and you'll get labeled a spammer and your email account can get shut down. So, you've got your autoresponder all set up and your opt-in forms ready and live on your website. Let's have a look at how to do email marketing once people have signed up to your list and the email marketing best practices to ensure that you don't get deleted or reported as spam when your email lands in an inbox. 1. Send an email to say welcome. Effective email marketing starts with sending a warm welcome email when somebody opts into your list. You want to thank the person for signing up. If you promised a free download, make sure they don't have to jump through hoops to get it and give them the download link right in the first email. 2. Send follow-up emails that are relevant. A scheduled set of email follow-ups is effective because your target audience will look out for the next email. For instance, if you promise to show them how to repair their relationship in 7 short steps, send them 1 step per email over 7 days. Don't send all 7 steps in one go. This is where you can use your autoresponder to its full potential and pre-program your email series. 3. Do not trick your readers to open the email. One of the key elements of email marketing best practices is to ensure that your message fulfills the promise of the subject line. Your email has to have a compelling subject line so that it will be opened, but do not trick people to open your message by promising something that you cannot deliver. There can be a fine line between being clever and being deceitful, so make sure you don't cross it. 4. Let people unsubscribe. If somebody wants to unsubscribe from your list, let them. If you make it difficult, they may label you as spam. You will not have any success with your email marketing if you worry about someone unsubscribing to your emails. If a recipient has no interest in even getting or reading your emails, it is very unlikely that they will ever become a customer anyway. 5. Build a relationship. Thought-provoking messages are always great for creating a successful email campaign, as they drive traffic back to your blog and get people to comment on what you just said. Inquisitive email follow-ups are those where you're specifically asking for your readers' input. Everyone loves to be asked for his or her opinion. You might even poll your audience about an upcoming product or service you have. 6. Constantly provide value. Email marketing best practices are about providing value. Sprinkle your regular follow-up emails with some special perk emails. This could be a free report on a relevant subject or access to an exclusive webinar. These are ways you can thank the reader for subscribing and letting you communicate with them on a regular basis via email. Don't just constantly send out sales messages. 7. Know your audience. It should go without having to say that email marketing best practices also mean knowing your audience. If you send emails to people who do not want them or did not ask for them, that is spamming. Spread your follow-up emails out in a way that your audience will best respond to. Some people like daily emails. Some might respond once every 3 or 4 days or every other week. You'll have to evaluate your audience and see what works best for you and them. 5 reasons why email marketing is important for your internet marketing. Over 34% of the general population overall utilize email. That is around 2.5 billion individuals. It's anticipated to increment to 2.8 billion email clients in the following 2 years. That is correct, emails are prominent. The Radicati Group, which concocted that data, additionally figures that the world sends around 196 billion messages day by day. Out of these 196 billion messages, the larger part, 109 billion, is email business. We should put it basically. Email showcasing is an energetic and capable approach to interface with individuals. Bringing it home, consider your own encounters. Do you even know any individual who doesn't have an email address? You likely get various HTML messages every week, I beyond any doubt do. You read them, get motivated by them, and even anticipate the following one. Email marketing services are a major piece of our lives. So far, assuming email marketing is not something for your association? Give us a chance to give you 5 reasons why email marketing is a channel try not to be disregarded. 1. More effective than social media for customer acquisition. Try not to misunderstand us, online networking is a critical segment in any business promoting technique. Web-based social networking is an awesome channel for associating with your group of onlookers and reinforcing your own associations with them. Also, therefore, it is an essential initial move towards achieving your definitive objective, the conversion. Be that as it may, with regards to changing over individuals into customers, clients, or supporters, email advertising is the approach. 2. Economic and cost-effective. It's simple, powerful, and cheap. Email promoting enables entrepreneurs to achieve an extensive number of clients at a rate of almost nothing per message. For entrepreneurs on a financial plan, this settles on a superior decision to customary advertising channels like TV, radio, or post office-based mail. Contrasted with conventional promoting endeavors where printing, postage, and so forth can take up a considerable measure of cost for your regular postal mail battles. With messages, you are as yet ready to make a similar symbolism with the additional advantage of having lineup data immediately accessible with a single click to your site. Maybe similarly as vitally, with the right support of an email list, the money-saving advantages increment as does the ROI through the mirror relationship set up with the beneficiaries. Together with the higher reaction rates that email promoting pulls in, you, subsequently, get more positive reactions, all the more rapidly and at a lower unit cost. Win-win circumstance. 3. Personal and customizable. In email advertising, what you're truly doing is sectioning your crowd into records, and sending each run down a custom-fitted email message that reverberates with your per-user and can give them something of significant worth. When you compose a post for one of your online networking channels, you address your group of onlookers overall. To the greater part of our fans, we might want to say. In any case, by utilizing your email showcasing programming effectively, enables you to address individuals exclusively by name, split certain subjects just for specific individuals from your rundown, and in the end arrives secretly in their own inbox. Email does not need to be spam, and it ought to never be. It can be utilized astutely to fabricate steadfastness and trust in your image. Email advertising is imperative for building associations with prospects, drives, current clients, and even past clients since it allows you to talk straightforwardly to them, in their inbox, during an era that is advantageous for them. Be well disposed and amiable. You are not attacking their space on the off chance that you have picked your message and your beneficiary admirably. 4. Action-oriented. Regardless of whether you understand it or not, every person is prepared to accomplish something with an email, answer, forward, navigate, join, or even straight purchase. Consider this. Email marketing companies are value-based by nature. And you can utilize their guidance to make movements for your site and at last drive deals. As you build up your independent company or startup showcasing procedure, all in all, utilizing email will enable you to get comes about straight away. 5. Measurable. There's no mystery in email showcasing. When you utilize any email showcasing programming, you can track who opened your email, which joins were clicked, and what number of individuals withdrew. You can, without much of a stretch, get a photo of how your email crusades are performing, make modifications, and enhance your viability. Email showcasing measurements are imperative to recollect your screen and measure your web promoting methodology in general. A considerable measure of email showcasing programming takes into account split testing of your messages. As A/B testing originates from standard mail, It ought to abandon saying that A/B testing in your email promoting efforts is fundamental. A/B testing can uncover an incredible abundance of information about your supporters. Improve to enticing titles, for example, free, 20% off, or now on sale? Or, on the other hand, are they more open to a milder introduction, perhaps illuminating them of what's in store for your email? Every one of these things can be tried, measured, gained from, and enhanced. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about best practice guidelines for email marketing. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell, so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.